We're installing push rods right now into the tappets. It's easiest to do it with the tap cover removed. That way you make sure you don't set one of these, you can set it up cockeyed like this, and it might have similar height. Like if you set it up here, you might think, oh, that's just starting to open the valve. Then you'll adjust it and things won't go good. So I like to keep the tap cover off, make sure they're all in the tappets. All good. We're installing the cylinder head on this 6BT 210 horse Cummins. We are going to do our first torque spec, 66 foot-pounds. We got all our rockers loose, so you're not fighting against the valve spring while you're torquing. We always start in the center between 1 and 2. We follow the sequence. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that in a circle, going outwards. Head actually came down. See, as we're torquing it down, how far it's squished. Service manual. All right, we're going to continue torquing these to our final state, our final step, which is 90 degrees. Okay. It gets painful after a little bit.